In this video, I'm going to show you how to end sciatica for good using just an everyday bed sheet. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe here at SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. We're going to take a popular exercise that's given to treat disc bulges and herniations and take it to the next level. You may be familiar with what's called a press-up stretch or the cobra pose in yoga. It's a very good extension movement that takes pressure off of lumbar spinal discs, relieving symptoms like sciatica or leg pain. So if you're dealing with that, we're going to show you a very easy way to be able to take pressure off of those discs and hopefully get you a lot of sciatica relief very, very quickly. So let's get started with it. So if you're unfamiliar with the press-up stretch or the cobra pose, what you do is you lay flat in bed. You can do it on the floor. You're going to start off by propping yourself up on your elbows. You should feel a very good stretch in the hip flexors and the front of the leg all the way up to the lumbar spine. While you do this, assuming that you have sciatica, you should start to feel symptoms come back up towards the lower back. That's called centralization. That's very important. If the pain feels like it's not traveling as far, this is working for you. If it's making it worse, obviously discontinue this. It's probably not going to help, and at that point, visit your local chiropractor or doctor instead, because it could be something more serious. So this is the first part. You want to hold this one for about 15 to 30 seconds, relax, do it about 3 to 5 times. If this becomes too easy, progress into the full cobra, which is extending the arms out like this. And that at that point, you should have a very good stretch in the lower back. You want to make sure that you try to keep the hips and pelvis as flat as possible. So this is how we're going to take this to the next level with this bed sheet. So what I did with the sheet is I rolled it up and I'm going to put it over the spot that I feel needs the most amount of tension, the spot that you feel is causing the issues, that sciatica down the leg and the low back. So what I'm going to do is go back into that cobra pose, but I'm going to put my hands on the sheets. What I do is I try to bring the sheets forward while I then extend into the sheet. What you're going to feel is a lot of pressure over that spot, and this is going to help you really focus on pinpointing the levels that you feel is causing that sciatica going down the leg. So I'm driving the sheet forward and then I'm leaning back into it. It should give you a very, very good stretch into the back. And if you do feel some releases, pops, or cracks into the back while you do this, it's completely normal. But you're just going to want to experiment. Move the sheet up and down the back and go at different angles until you feel like you have located the spot that needs the most amount of attention. At that point, hold this for about 30 seconds, relax, and then repeat it up to 5 times. Again, you should feel the sciatic pain not traveling as far and the pain decreasing. That's a good sign. This should not make you feel worse. So you can also do a variation of this exercise standing up. Take your bedroll. You can also use a large beach or bath towel for this and place it over the spot in the low back that feels like it needs a little bit more attention. So I'm going to take the 2 ends, I'm going to pull forward with them. That's our initial leverage. What I'm going to do next, and this is great, is take my elbow, I'm going to place it right at, or I should say right on the ends, and then I'm going to rock my elbows forward. You're going to feel a lot of pressure being put over that spot in the low back. So then we're going to build into extension. Extension is very important for taking pressure off spinal discs that may be herniated or bulging. Those bulging discs pinch the nerves and cause that sciatic nerve pain down the leg. So with this, we're trying to take that pressure off that sciatic nerve. Hold this for about 15 to 30 seconds. You're just going to release it and then do 3 to 5 repetitions. Again, when you do this, you should feel centralization of symptoms. That is, everything coming back up the leg. And you know it's working for you if you're getting a lot of pain relief and that sciatic pain isn't traveling as far. So I hope this helps. Give it a try. So if you liked the video and got a lot of relief, please show us your support by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing to our channel too. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.